Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple and beautiful fall wreath. Guys, this is just a simple tutorial. You can do this without spending a lot of money. For this fall wreath DIY, I'm not using any glue. I will be also using florals that I already had. This channel, guys, is also all about affordable DIYs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. It's very easy, guys. All you have to do is just to push the stems in between the twine. I am not going to be covering the whole wreath, just half of it. This DIY was less than $10.